Hello everyone, welcome to Math Cyberspace. This is Dibyendu Gonai, and today this is our practice set number 2, and today we will complete the chapter 1 of differential equation, that is introduction to differential equations and first order differential equation. Before starting practice set of 2, we will solve the questions of practice set 1. Our first question was, the minimum possible order of a homogeneous linear differential equation, linear ordinary differential equation with real constant coefficient having x square sine x as a solution is equals to what? Here x square sine x is a solution. In ordinary differential equation, when we get sine x as a solution, when the differential equation is of the form d2 plus 1y equals to 0, in that case the auxiliary equation will be m square plus 1 equals to 0 and m equals to plus minus I, and we get y equals to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Here we get sin x as a solution of this ordinary differential equation. Now, if we want to get x sin x as a solution with some constant coefficient, then in that case we have to solve this ordinary differential equation. When we solve this ordinary differential equation, the auxiliary equation will be m square plus 1 whole square equals to 0, and this implies m equals to plus minus I, and in this case the solution will be c1 plus c2x cos x plus c3 plus c4x sin x, and here x sin x is a solution with some constant coefficient c4, but our question is x square sin x. So again we will increase the power of the equation. Here d2 plus 1 whole cube equals to 0. Then the solution will be like this. Here we are getting x square sin x as a solution with some constant coefficient c6. Okay. Next question. Our second question was the equation of the curve. The equation of the curve passing through the point pi by 2 1. Okay, and having slope sine x by x square minus 2y by x at each point xy with x not equals to 0. Okay, so here given slope equals to sine x by x square, so dy dx equals to sine x by x square minus 2y by x. If we solve this, if we simplify this, then we are getting this form, and this is of the form dy dx plus py equals to q, and in this case the integrating factor will be e to the power integration p dx. After calculating we are getting x square as an integrating factor, and then solving we are getting x square y equals to minus cos x plus c, where c is a constant. Here given the curve, this is our curve x square y minus cos x plus c, this is our curve. Here given the equation of the curve passing through the point pi by 2 1, that means y pi by 2 equals to 1, y pi by 2 equals to 1, we put x equals to pi by 2 and y equals to 1, then we get c equals to pi square by 4, and finally we are getting this result x square y plus cos x equals to pi square by 4. So option 2 is correct. Now question number 3. If x cube y square is an integrating factor of this differential equation, then here a and b are unknown and 4 options are given. Here x cube y square is integrating factor, so if we multiply by the integrating factor the given differential equation, then the differential equation become exact. Okay, so we multiply x cube y square with the differential equation and we get the result. We get this result. Here we consider this is m and this is n, and the condition of exactness del m del y equals to del n del x, and solving this we get the result 3a minus 5b into x square x to the power 4 y square equals to 0. And now x cube y square is integrating factor, and integrating factor is always non-zero. That means x is not equals to 0 and y is not equals to 0. So this portion x to the power 4 y square is non-zero, so only one option 3a minus 5b equals to 0. So option 1 is correct. Now question number 4. Consider the ODE on R y dash x equals to fyx. Here given f is an even function and y is an odd function. Then four options are given. What will be the solution from these four options? Since f is an even function, so we consider f of x equals to x square. We know that x square is an even function. Then, according to the given differential equation, dy dx equals to f of yx, f is a function of y, so this will be y square. So, solving this, we are getting minus 1 by y equals to x by x plus c. C is an arbitrary constant. So, arbitrarily we choose c equals to 0. Okay. Then, we are getting y equals to minus 1 by x. Now, case 1, in option 1. Y is equals to minus 1 by x. Here given minus y minus x. So yx equals to 1 by x. So y of minus x equals to 1 by x, since y is an odd function. Then minus y minus x equals to minus 1 by x. So option 1 is correct, because this is our solution. Yx equals to minus 1 by x, and minus y minus x is equals to also minus 1 by x. So option 1 is correct. Now in option 2 we are getting from here, in option 2 y of minus x. Here we are getting y of minus x equals to 1 by x, but y equals to minus 1 by x. So option 2 is incorrect. Similarly, you can check option 3 and option 4 will also incorrect. Now question 5. Here the question is, consider the equation dy dt equals to 1 plus f squared t yt, and the condition is y0 equals to 1 and t is greater than equals to 0, where given f is a bounded continuous function on closed 0 open infinity. Then there are four options given. The character of yt, the equation admits a unique solution yt, and the limit t tends to infinity, yt equals will be finite or infinite. We have to check it. Let's see the solution. The question was dy dt equals to 1 plus f squared t yt and y0 equals to 1. The condition t is greater than equals to 0. In the question, it is given that f is a bounded continuous function. So we simply take a constant function which is bounded and continuous. Let f of t equals to 1. Then what will be the our differential equation? If we put f of t equals to 1, this will be dy dt equals to 2yt. So after solving this, we get log y equals to 2t plus c. And using the condition y0 equals to 0, we are getting c equals to 0. So simplifying this, yt equals to e to the power 2t. This is our y, and yt equals to e to the power 2t. This is obviously unique, and at t tends to infinity, the limit tends to infinity. Okay, now check the options. In option 1, in option 1, here in option 1, the equation admits unique solution and further limit t tends to infinity yt exists, but limit t tends to yt is equals to infinity, so option 1 is incorrect. This equation admits two linearly independent solutions. This is false because this is unique solution. This equation admits a bounded solution. This is false because limit t tends to infinity yt is equals to infinity. And this equation admits a unique solution yt, and further limit t tends to infinity yt equals to infinity. So option 4 is correct. Now today this is our practice set 2, and for chapter 1 this is last practice set. Okay, the questions are: question number 6, let y be a solution of y dashed e to the power minus y square minus 1 on 0 1 closed interval 0 1 which satisfied y0 equals to 0. Then four options are given. The character of yx will be positive when x will be positive, yx will be negative when x will be positive, and y equals to 0 when x greater than 0. This question has been asked in GATE 2008. Okay. Now, question number 7. The equation of the curve satisfying the given differential equation is sin y dy dx equals to cos y 1 minus x cos y, and passing through the origin is, we have to find out the equation. Okay. Now, question number 8. Consider the differential equation mod y dashed plus mod y equals to 0. Then which of the following statements is true? Four options are given. This differential equations has general solution exists. Option 2, general solution exists but contains no arbitrary constants. Option 3, it has particular solution and which is bounded. And option 4, none of the above. Okay. Next, question number 9. Question number 9. The initial value problem x square minus x dy dx equals to 2x minus 1 into y, and this is initial condition yx0 equals to y0, has a unique solution if x0 y0 equals. We have to find out the value with the point x0 y0. This question has been asked in GATE 2002. Now last question. For non-homogeneous equation y dashed plus pxy equals to rx, if y1 y2 are its solution, y1 y2 are the solution of this non-homogeneous equation. If y1 y2 are its solutions, then the solution of homogeneous equation y dash plus pxy equals to 0 is. Four options are given. You have to find out the solution of this homogeneous equation. Okay. Again, I will send the solution of this practice set 2 in PDF format in our Telegram channel. Also, I will upload the solution on YouTube. Okay. Thanks for today. If you like this content, please share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.